lot of the work I do is making molds and patterns for the composites industry. I do CAD work and CAM. 5-axis programming is my specialty. I use PowerShape and Powermill for about 8 years now, and there's not much I can't do with it. One thing a lot of people don't realize about Powermill and PowerShape is that you can customize everything. Every step in the process, there is a macro command that will allow you to do what you're trying to do. You can use the macro programming directly, or you can also tie it in with Visual Basic and create custom automation routines. So if you're doing the same steps over and over again every job, that's a great place to start. Here we have Powermill simulating the machining on a DMS router that has 5-axis capabilities. It has an 18,000 RPM spindle so that we can take advantage of the small tooling to do fine detail work. We've got molds ranging in size from anywhere from a few inches to sometimes 70 or 80 inches long. Some of the challenges that we deal with are 3D surfaces, a lot of contour, very deep cuts. We need the best software we can get to simulate the machine kinematics, simulate the tool lengths, make sure that we don't have any collision issues. That's huge in this industry, and Powermill does a great job with that. One of the add-ons that we use in Powermill is the advanced simulation package. It's amazing at detecting even tiny little collisions. I developed macros, I developed Visual Basic automation routines. The capabilities are limitless. If you can put in the time, you can make anything.